Facing unexpected computer restarts in Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for a quick solutions to ensure your system remains stable without unexpected interruptions. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box, type in regedit, and press Enter. Once you are inside the Registry Editor window, type or paste in the following command in the search bar. Double-click the setup.exe file from the right panel and change the value data from 1 to 3. Then click OK to save the changes. Close the Registry Editor window and restart your computer. The error should now be gone. The majority of us frequently connect a variety of USB devices to our computers. Nevertheless, sometimes, these devices may cause conflicts with Windows, causing the machine to restart suddenly or face an unexpected error. Removing the USB devices from the PC was reported by several as a solution to the issue. Before attempting to utilize any devices, such as flash drives, printers, keyboards, and mice, that you may have attached to your PC, just unplug and reconnect them. Click on the search icon and type in CMD to open the command prompt window and enter the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Select the volume in which the Windows OS is installed. Type or paste in the following command and hit Enter. Exit. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.